This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Joan and Marianne Windridge. Charming 2-bedroom/2-bath rental in quiet Jupiter Village featuring an open floor plan with vaulted ceilings and updated kitchen with stainless appliances, granite counters, and a convenient coffee bar. Spacious primary suite offers access to the screened patio, a walk-in closet, and a vanity area separate from the toilet and shower. Nice-sized second bedroom and updated hall bath, both with granite. Plenty of storage throughout. Close to shopping, restaurants, and the beach. Available January 19th for annual rental. For more information, review the details below or contact Joan and Marianne Windridge at 772-692-8834.